Hello, Dr. Friend. This is Sasha and Siddhal Shetty. Today, I'm going to talk about the Ionic mobile app framework. This Ionic framework is an open source SDK for hybrid mobile development built on top of AngularJS and Apache Cordova. So, Ionic provides tools and services for developing hybrid mobile apps using web technologies like CSS, HTML5, and SAS. So, let's get started. So before installing Ionic framework, we have to install Node.js and install Git for the Git console, Git bash. So you can download Git from the Git official Git website and Node from the Node website, Node.js website. So since in the previous projects I have already installed Node.js and Git, so directly um, you after installing the git you'll get this bash file. So in the bash file, right now I'm under this directory: users, Sage, desktop, web2, and the Ionic frameworks. So when you type ls, you'll get the list of directories, list of folders where your projects are there. So I'm going to enter into hello world project, your new app project. Let me enter into new app project, new app. So right now in the new app directory, I was in the new app directory. We enter a command after entering into the new app, Ionic server. So which start the server. So after serving, this is the custom built website, just using the Ionic components. So I got the Ionic CSS components from here. So from here, so I have copied these simple commands and pasted in the in index.html of the new app project. This is a new app project which I used to Sublime Text to view the HTML code. So this is my code which I have edited. So this is the hello world where I changed the hello world. So this is the program. This is the program based on the Ionic framework. So you can create. These are the simple steps. After install, you have to use this command for installing Ionic framework. After installing Ionic framework, you have to choose any directory. So I've used this directory for my workspace. After creating a directory, you can start your project. So in order to start your project, use this command Ionic start and your project name, and this is one of the template. I used blank, which is a bare bone, which doesn't have any kind of HTML code in it, just a white blank page. So I used this blank page and created this website based on using the list comp from this document, from this using CSS components. Problems I faced with the Ionic framework where this is the error I was getting. So I solved this problem with npm install g minimatch at the rate of 3.0.2. So after this I have resolved the problem, and I have got this information from the Stack Overflow. This technology, Ionic provides all the functionality that can be found in native mobile development SDKs like Android SDKs, so user can build their apps, customize them for Android or iOS, and deploy through Cardo.